Hi, my name is Alejandro Mora Villarreal, and this is my key activity for matter and sustainability. Okay, so let's start. First, I would like to start talking about the theoretical background. I will briefly explain soap and detergent. What are them? Soaps are water-soluble sodium or potassium salts or fatty acids. Soaps are made from fats and oils or they fatty acids by treating them chemically with a strong alkali. Detergents. Detergents are not prepared by saponifying fats or oils. They are manufactured in chemical plants. Their surface active molecules are generally long chains with atoms or groups of atoms added to give the molecule its surface active properties. Our problem. Well, the problem of our team was that all cleanser products promise customers perfect removal of stains to buy their products. That's why we tested some of them to test their statements. As you can see, I bet one of these three ads you have seen it. The first one is from Tide, the second one is from Mass, and the third one is from Ace. Hypothesis. Okay, our hypothesis was that if the amount of detergent for one brand is less than the other two, and we can perceive a positive change in the artificial stain, this will decide which cleanser is better in terms of price and product quality. Materials and process. Okay, so briefly, our materials were 3 pieces of fabric, each one precisely measuring 10 by 10 centimeters, cut by 100% cotton white t-shirt, and the artificial stains consisted each of 2.5 grams of coffee, 2.5 milliliters of liquid chocolate, and 2.5 milliliters of mustard. Also, some extra materials not included here, but used on the experiment were water buckets, 6 liters of water at 30 degrees Celsius, measuring cups, and some spoons to apply the condiments into the t-shirt. It is important to mention that white color was chosen since it does not favor any of the elements selected to be applied. For example, if the t-shirt was yellow or black color, coffee, chocolate, or mustard will not be much appreciated. Random fact, our team chose these specific factors since, according to the website How Things Work, coffee, mustard, and chocolate are 3 of the 10 most worst food stains. And now I'm going to briefly explain the process. We immerse them without carving nor moving them for 5 minutes. Then we remove the piece of each cloth from each container looking for changes. However, if we saw no changes, we added another 3 milliliters and so until we notice a change in any of the 3 pieces. And yes, as you can see in the picture, that was like our process, our procedure, and yeah, you can see detergent A was Tide, detergent B was Mass, and detergent C was Ace. Okay, so now we got to the results. Detergent Tide was the most effective since it was the closest one to get to the point of the original t-shirt. Conclusion. Our conclusion was that Tide is the best option to buy. As you can see on the graph, it is the most effective without any movement while removing the stain. It's important to mention that we did not move like any movement while the detergent was removing the stain. So now imagine what will happen if we put our t-shirt into the washing machine. So as you can see, here are the results, and yeah, clearly Tide A was the best one. Now, getting to the point of safety standards and analysis of alternatives, solutions for our environment. Well, I personally think that people should start use more biodegradable cleaning materials since their impact to the environment is much less harmful, like in another level. But talking about the safety standards during the project, we used lab coats and we were at a safety distance from the experiment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.